Okay, I think we're live right now. Hello? Can you guys see this? Let me know in the live chat if you guys can see this right now. I think we are live right now. Let me know how the audio is and everything so I can make sure that everything is alright from my side. Let's take a look at the markets right now. Okay, so I'm looking at RTX right now, right at market open. Okay, we got a lot of plays right now. I'm taking a look at. Okay, I'm entering in one play right now. Where's my? Let me know in the comments. I'm entering in a play right now for the small account challenge on Discord. Quickly, I'm entering in. This is fast. Where's the chart? Oh shoot, we're already up 2%. Okay, I'm gonna enter in a swing play. We're up 6%. Let's do 2 weeks out. I think 2 weeks out is good for Lee. 2-3. I'll get 3 weeks out. So December 29th, January 5th. I'm gonna do January 12th, 35 call. Let's get 6 contracts for the small account challenge, and I just got filled in. I'm gonna go to Discord and alert the entry right now on Discord. So I'm seeing the chat right now. Audio is low. Okay, I'll bring my mic here. I'll bring my mic. Okay. Yeah, so market open right now. We got a ton of plays right now, and I have to be like on Discord. Kind of go over that. So I just got into a Lee contract, LI. I'm gonna screenshot this. Okay, I'm just quickly making a alert on Discord right now. But the stocks that we're watching RTX right at market open. We're going for that breakout. We're watching BA puts below the level of support. PayPal is up, Tesla is up. Tesla is going to be a great swing trade right here. So I'm going to the Discord right now, and I'm quickly entering in the alert that I got in for Lee. LI. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to watch the weekly watch list video. We got a ton of great plays for this week. I'm just quickly going over here. Okay, 35 call. Gonna do January 12th. Down 20% right now. Average cost 2.06. Okay. So I entered in a swing play. Okay, let's take a look at the market right now. Where's my chat? Okay. Okay, so I can see the chat right now. Wait, I just realized. Wait. I entered into the wrong play. Oh my god. Shoot. I just realized that I entered into the wrong play. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm entering into a play right now, but I got into XPEV calls, but I was too much in pressure right now with the live streaming, and I accidentally entered in Lee contracts, LI, which is another Chinese EV. So I just quickly sold that for a loss. I'm taking a 14 call. Where's okay? 14 call. Okay, I'm just quickly entering in. It was a $100 option contract, so that's pretty good. 1 to 12 at. Okay, this is good. No, not Lee, not Lee. Lee was that was an accident. XPEV, XPEV. Okay, XPEV only. Okay. Okay. I just entered in. Alright, now I can check the live stream right now. Okay. It's not Lee. It's not Lee. Lee was we're in XPEV. Okay, I got confused. I was live streaming, so the pressure was too much pressure, and I was looking at the live chat. I was looking at Discord on my phone. Then I was on TD Ameritrade and Robinhood. We're not playing Lee XPEV. I just got confused with the ticker. So XPEV looks very good. The stop loss is going to be the close below $13.60. The probability is on our side. I love the RSI. I love the support right here. I think now I'm going to play a small position. Okay, I'm taking a look at the chat right now. Audio is... Okay. How's the audio right now? Okay, okay, now I have to enter in. So RTX, the confirmation is going to be the close below $83. So I can enter in a position right now, but then we can close below that area. One thing that I always like to take a look at, I will also be going live tomorrow. The XPEV play is a swing. So one thing that I always like to talk about is right at market open, we have the most volume. So when we have a setup like an ascending triangle and the resistance is right here, right at market open, we're going to see that momentum because right at market open, that is when we get the most pressure. And especially the first 3 to 2 candles decide the whole momentum play for the rest of the day. So if the first 3 candles are green, that's going to decide the trend. And then towards the lunchtime, that is usually we see a lot of profit taking. And this is something that you kind of learned from just your experience overall. So for the small account challenge, I'm going to send this on Discord right here. But we're $800 in the XPEV play. Okay, so we're taking a look at RTX, first 2 green candles. This breakout looks nice. Nvidia is bouncing off. Okay, so Enphase right here is breaking out. So I'm going to enter in. This is not a play on the small account. This is going to be actually a day trade. I want to do a day trade on this weekly expiration here. So weeklies on Enphase right here. So I'm taking a look at Enphase. What expiry and expiration? I got January 12th at the money. So 14 call January 12th. So I got 3 weeks on XPV. So let's take a look at Enphase right now. This is perfectly setting up for a day trade. And specifically a day trade because of how tight we are getting right now. So I'm going to go to my... I have to enter in a play right now. It's starting to break out. I'm entering in. This is going to be a day trade section on the Discord. So I'm going to copy this chart right here. My price target is going to be 145. Let's go to the day trade section. So going to be a quick in and out for Enphase. Let's go here. Oh my god. Enphase. It's going to be a weekly December 29th expiration, 136 calls to buy to open. Enphase. Price target 145. Wait, let's take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, it's right at the breakout area right now. And then our stop loss is going to be right here, 134 for Enphase. Okay. And I'm entering in just one contract. I'm only putting 400 here. Okay. Okay, I'm looking at the chat right now. We got 50 members. Make sure to leave a like. We're playing this right now live on YouTube. I'm very excited right now. We got this solid Enphase play. Look at how tight it has gotten. And the first two candles are green on the 5-minute time frame. So we have the momentum going on right here. The close above 136 on the 5-minute is going to give us confirmation. And then once we do hit this level, this is going to become the support. And we just need to be above $136, so above $136. This play looks just like the play on target, specifically because of how small the ascending triangle was and how tight it got. Because our other ascending triangle plays, they lasted a lot longer. Nvidia, again, a massive one, but the thing about Enphase and why specifically it is a day trade is because of how tight it has got, and now it is breaking out on the 5-minute, on the daily time frame. Let me know if you guys are in this play with me. I'm up $15 right now. Okay, it's popping. Okay, it's doing good. I'm at $4.50 for my contract. 4.05. It's breaking out. It's breaking out. The Discord link is in the description. The Discord link is in the description. We're live streaming on YouTube, so you guys can kind of see what I'm looking at. But if you want specific buy and sell alerts, and the reason that I'm charging is because it just takes a lot of work and a lot of effort, and I have that kind of that responsibility. But hey, you know, I'm live streaming right here. You guys can kind of see what I'm taking a look at. Let's go over here. 136 call. Okay, it looks good. Okay, Enphase is looking good so far on the 5-minute. Right now, we have that breakout. I just want to take a look at a couple other setups. RTX is red right now. So again, the problem with RTX is that it has not gotten that tight yet. Yeah, up over. Yeah, we're already up $75 on our. Wow. I only got one contract. I only enter in like 500 to 1,000 in the option plays. I'll probably make a whole video or I'll do a whole live stream on that, but the real money is going to be made in our long-term play. So we're taking a look. Where is Enphase? Okay, we're popping, we're popping. I also love the risk to reward with here. So I think my price target is going to be around $145, but I think that in itself is a little bit too high. XPEV. This is our swing play. I'm going to quickly post a alert on make sure to leave a like if you guys have not already, and let me know what you guys kind of think. Percent wise, I'm looking at the chart. So for you're asking for the profit for Enphase, I'm looking at the chart and I base off of my price target off of that. But what I'm taking a look at is to for sure get out of Enphase before lunchtime. I'm only in it for a day trade. You can definitely swing this for like rest of the week, but potentially, you know, I'm not even sure what this company does. I just want to do a quick day trade in and out. My price target right here is 145, but I'm probably going to sell out at like 50% gain. we're building that momentum, which is good. But taking a look at the historical candles for Enphase, it looks like it moves a lot. Like it was up over 8% here. 7%. So this is a fast mover stock, and we can definitely hit 145. But if you guys know me, I like to pay print. I like to get out early and take my profits. You know, we were in AMC, GameStop way before the squeeze, and you guys know what happened with that. Okay, I'm gonna quickly post a tweet on Twitter. Oh shoot. Live now. We're live on YouTube. Okay. Enphase, yes. Looking pretty good. I'm up a really. Oh wait, I'm actually. Oh wait, okay, I'm tempted to take profits right here. I only got one contract though. Okay, I only got one contract. Let me know in the comments, you know, what you guys think of this play. It's kind of too late to enter in now, but you know, we were watching this right at market open. It's popping right now. It's popping. Where's my Discord? Might have to get that entry out. Yeah, day trade profit is already up. Wow. Do you guys remember the play on Costco? I think the Discord was free when I posted the play on Costco, but we entered in Costco. We got out. I got out for like a 70% profit, but look at how much it ran up. Like it's insane. It's insane. Okay, RTX is back green now. The next play that I'm watching is RTX, and that is going to be more of like a swing trade, because this Enphase specifically, I mentioned this in the weekly watch list video. Specifically, this was a day trade, weekly call options. My contract is at 6. Okay, I'm probably gonna take profits now. I'm gonna probably take profits now. Let me check the. I'm gonna probably check profits. 136, 615. I'm up 50%. I think 50% is a good number. I like 50%, but I'm just taking a look at the chart and how Enphase likes to move. Like, as we talked about these green candles, it typically has these big candles, but I'm gonna take profits. I'm gonna take profits right here. It's kind of annoying like I have to sell on my broker first. I have to get filled, and I have to go on Discord and write out the whole message. So give me a. I'm out of 615. Okay. I got filled at 615. 615. Okay. Green underscore. So that was a quick in and out. Okay, this was specifically, as I mentioned on our weekly watch list video, quick in and out. So Enphase at 615 from. Okay, I just alerted the exit on Discord. So it can definitely run more right here to like 145. It can definitely pull a Costco, but I like my 50% gains, especially starting off with the day trade. Have you entered in Nvidia? Not yet, but I'm gonna be really honest with this play on Nvidia. It's very, very expensive. I'm already in Tesla. That was a $2,000 contract for February expiration. So I personally don't have like the risk management, the risk tolerance that I want to put on Nvidia, but I do want to potentially play this breakout. Like Nvidia, it really looks like the play on Amazon, the Amazon ascending triangle, as well as the Google. So if we can place, like the breakout on Google or Amazon, I'm taking a look at Nvidia just for a weekly breakout. XPEV. Bitcoin. The PayPal setup looks nice. Okay. PayPal setup looks incredible. Wow. It's actually setting up for a breakout right here. Okay, let's take a look at the market now. Okay, this was a hectic. Where can I join your Discord alerts? It's right here. Here, I'll send you in the Is it a link? Okay. So very hectic start for the week. Wait. Very hectic start for the week. We had Enphase. I accidentally entered in Lee contracts right at market open instead of entering in XPEV. So we got XPEV. It looks good. It looks nice. I love this setup for the swing trade. We are in it on the small account challenge. That was a quick in and out. Okay. Oh shoot, sorry guys. Okay, I'm just busy chatting in the Discord right now. Okay, let's get back to the live stream. Okay, so XPEV, how many viewers do we have right now? 60 viewers. Okay, so XPEV, incredible play. It's a swing trade, not a day trade. So you're gonna need a lot more patience, days, weeks. I got 3 weeks out. We have, just like historically, we had a descending triangle breakout. But the great thing is that we bought in at the level of support. As I went over on our weekly watch list video, I personally like buying in at the support because the probability is a lot higher. So for example, with XLE, we got in at the support, and instead of playing the breakout of this massive ascending triangle, we can play the support for the bounce. And not only that, then our stop loss is like the close below. So the stop loss is right around the entry. Enphase is, let's take a look at the 5-minute for Enphase. It can definitely run, okay? Again, I like to be in and out quick. I got out 51%. I'm happy. And I only had one contract, but if you have a bigger account, definitely looks good. 2 weeks out, what date? January 19th. I think I got January 12th for XPEV. I believe it was. I sent a screenshot on the Discord. Okay, so let's take a look at XPEV. So I'm getting a DM, sell now or wait. So if you're still in Enphase, it's kind of flagging right here. We're consolidating. Reminds me of Google. Remember when we were trading Google? We were trading the breakout, and it was like consolidating in the first 5 minutes, and then it broke out. So let's go back to this right here. So Enphase is kind of flagging right here if you're still holding on to the Enphase contract. The Discord is in the description. Please the link for Discord first. I want to add my list. Yeah, the Discord should be in the here. I'll send the Discord link. The Discord link should be, where is it? Here. Okay. So Enphase is flagging right now. Okay, we're looking really, really good for Enphase. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. New Year special code. I sold mine, but it is going to be on you. So again, I sold mine, but it is going to be on you at the end of the day. It can for sure run, especially if it holds this level, because we're consolidating right now. We just don't just go up, we just don't skyrocket. We go up, we trade sideways, and then we have a breakout, and then we can hit $145, or it can decide to reject on the daily time frame and close below. So this was a quick day trade. I'm looking at the chat. XPEV, we got options for XPEV. And the interesting thing about XPEV is I'm taking a look at Chinese stocks as well as other EV stocks. So for example, with XPEV, we have another Chinese EV company called LI. Then we also have NIO, which is running right now. So we're seeing some sort of market rotation where we have NIO, XPEV, LI, and then Tesla also. Rivian also, where all of these EV stocks are kind of running together. And then we also have one for like Chinese stocks like BABA, BIDU. So this is a market rotation. If you do sign up for the Discord, I just added the course today, completely free course added into the WAP. So just go to wap.com and then you guys can actually see the premium course that I worked on, and that's pretty cool. So we're taking a look at the SPY right now. As I mentioned over, we are bullish above $475. Still in GME, no. I got out GME for a 50% loss. That was the first loss in a while. But the problem with GME was, okay, the technical analysis. Let's actually take a look at GME. So the thing about GME was it did break out, so we had this massive pop, but the contracts were weird and we were trading sideways. It was a cheap stocks, but the contracts were pretty expensive because of the IV, the theta, and just GME being a weird stock and the way it trades. So the option contracts were pretty bad. We were up on GME. I know some people who got out for a profit, but I personally sold out for a 50% loss, and it's again all on Discord. Where you guys can see the live buy and sell alerts. And hope you guys are having a great day. We got 65 people watching. I definitely wanna do some more live streams tomorrow and the rest of the week. And this week specifically because of the Santa Claus rally. Give me free. The Discord was actually free for like 3 weeks. I think we had a 100% win rate when it was with 3 weeks. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I really love doing these live streams and just making these videos insane. I love making these videos and then going back and watching them back and kind of seeing how we performed. And the cool thing about live trading is you guys can like see like the live. What's happening right now. like Enphase, you know, we entered in, we played it today. It was a quick in and out profit. I'm also watching BA. Now, the interesting thing about BAA is, boing, it's actually bouncing right now. So, yes, you can play calls right here and then leave the stop loss below $260. But the reason that I don't like to play for calls is the RSI, and then we have this massive weekly resistance. So, I don't see the risk over there, the risk tolerance. I don't want to risk taking that trade because the way that I see it, we have more room to the downside than to the upside, unless you want to do a day trade. Discount on lifetime. DM me on Discord. DM me on Discord. Nike. Oh wow. Wait, I actually had Nike charted. Okay, so let's take a look at Nike. Let me know in the comments, live chat, tickers that you guys want me to watch. So Nike right here, we had a massive rejection because of the earnings report. It looks like we have a nice support down below for Nike. I'm definitely on my watch list for the next couple of weeks, because if it comes back down to this level of support, it's going to be a great buy for shares, leaps, and whatnot, and then have that stop loss to close below that. Looks like the Autodesk setup. So Nike, this is what we are taking a look at. Yeah, for sure. I actually had Nike charted already. You know, I didn't chart this, and especially when it had that earnings drop, man. Wow. PayPal, please. Yeah, PayPal. Great one, okay? Great one. But the key thing is we're not playing options. I'm not playing options. I got shares only. And I'm also not thinking of it as a day trade anymore. I'm thinking of it more of as a long-term play, because it is really like the lowest it has ever been. The bull market is back and whatnot. Kind of like Macy's. You know, we bought in right at the level of support. So what's the point of selling it when we, you know, bought in at the lowest? Or something like Roblox. Roblox is actually hitting the resistance, but PayPal looks amazing. We're already up 20% on our shares. But for PayPal, the confirmation is going to be on the monthly and the weekly time frame if we can close above that area. Okay, let's take a look at the market. So we're taking a look at the 5-minute time frame. And again, just take a look at this mentally. Just take a look at the price action and how it is having a very tough time for the SPY to hit this level, because this is a massive level on the daily time frame. But if we do close above this, okay, today on the 5-minute, we're gonna see a massive pop for the SPY. Okay, this is a critical level, but we can for sure come back down all the way to 467 for sure. And the great thing is we don't have any like inflation numbers, or we don't have Jerome Powell speaking or whatnot. What about coin and MSTR? Oh shoot, wait. I did not even realize about blink charge. I have to take a look at my position right now. I had shares. We entered in. This was on Discord way earlier. We entered in like right here. Wait, let me see how much I'm up on BLNK. Wow, that's the thing. Like, I'm in too many plays, and it's like insane. It's kind of insane right now. BLNK is doing great. And let's take a look at SSNT. Okay, SSNT is trading sideways. We're out of SSNT, but BLNK is doing... Wait, if I see the Discord... The Discord is absolutely killing it right now. Man. Okay, I'm typing in the Discord right now. Just take a look at that. What do you think of coin? Okay, wait. Let me quickly. Should I get out of BLNK? Let me see. $4.16. Okay. Quickly checking how much I'm up on BLNK. 25%. Okay. So we're up 25% on BLNK stock. Wow. And it's flagging right now. Okay, I'm selling out right at $4.65. $4.65, I am out of BLNK stock. This was a direct buy alert on our Discord. We're up 25% right now. Let's take a look at XPEV. Then I want to take a look at the chat. Okay, XPEV looks good. Close like this would be very bullish. I'll make a video on XPEV, LI, and other Chinese stocks. Okay, Starbucks. So Starbucks has this double bottom here. Has to hold this support. Okay, it has to hold this level of support. Let's take a look at the RSI. Let's take a look at the volume. We have a gap to the downside. Where's my... So for Starbucks, it just needs to be above this support right here. It's kind of getting tight like that. But yeah, kind of just needs to hold that level. TPR. I like the gap for TPR right here. And then a breakout. Okay, let's go back to our plays. So Enphase, Rivian. XPEV is running right now. If you guys have not already, make sure to leave a like. 20 likes. I'm quickly taking a look at our small account challenge. So at market open, I accidentally entered, as you guys know, I accidentally entered into a wrong play. Now I'm down like 10% on here. But I'm quickly going over the Robinhood. Hopefully, this is my, I don't want to get the info leaked, but this is my friend's account. Okay. So, this account we started at $1,000. I cashed out of the $1,000. This is a small account challenge that I do on the Discord. So you guys can kind of see that over there, but XPEV looks good. Can you send me? It's wap.com/firecycle114. Where's the... How do I pin a comment? Okay. Let's go back to the chat. XPV looks good. Enphase. Okay. Coin and MSTR, please. Man, coin just keeps running. You know, I don't know what to say. It just kind of keeps running. I also don't want to short the trend. The RSI is overbought. Same with MSTR. You know, it just kind of keeps running and doing its thing. I would be cautious with calls or puts. I wouldn't even trade it. But since I'm watching coins, if you're watching coin and MSTR, you have to watch Bitcoin also because they're Bitcoin mining stocks or crypto exchanges. And Bitcoin right now has an ascending triangle on the daily time frame. So if Bitcoin breaks out, then Coinbase and MSRT are going to also run. Out of BLNK at... Yeah, we're going to be out of BLNK at $4.65. Brother, can I get some discount on lifetime? Yeah, just talk to me in the Discord for the... I'll probably do like a lifetime discount. But, okay. So we're in XPEV. Okay, I have to take a look at options profit calculator right now. Shoot. So, I just quickly want to go over the contract that I got for XPEV. what was the contract? 14 call. So we got 1, 2, we got 3 weeks, December, and then we got 14th. And my fill was current option. Okay. So my contract, this was a $100 play. Let's go back here. $15. So that'd be around 6%. $16, $16.30. I'm just quickly taking a look at the potential profit for XPEV. So $16.30 right here. We got 3 weeks. That's going to be around 100% gain. My conservative price target is going to be $15. So that's going to be around a 30% gain depending upon when we hit that level. Oh yeah, BA is bouncing right now. Where's the Discord? Okay. BA looks, it's bouncing right now. It's bouncing. Looks great for calls, but I'm not gonna play it. I'm not personally gonna play this. Let me know if you guys are liking the BA setup, but I'm not going to do a play on this. A lot of the plays I don't like. NUE, this was on the weekly watch list, but I'm probably not gonna even play it. I do want to accumulate some more Bitcoin today. So the Enphase profits that I had, I'm gonna just put it into Bitcoin. I take all of my profits and put it in Bitcoin. I do have another free course for the premium subscribers on Bitcoin, so I'm going to be dropping that later next week. Bitcoin. So BA puts are good below $260. So if we break this support, but right now it's bouncing, so it's actually looking good for calls right here. So we have the online course, which is out. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching right now. How long have been... Okay, it's been 45 minutes right now. I'm probably going to stop streaming around lunchtime. I think that's a good time to kind of stop because that's when like the market pulls back. Okay, RTX, our next play that we are watching. RTX. So, RTX. Again, I just don't like how we're not tight enough yet. Okay, that's my big red flag. So risk tolerance, I want to put 5%. I probably want to buy one contract. That's my risk tolerance for this play. Or what I could do is, I'm just going to have the stop loss to close below $83. Because we just need to be above $84 for it to be bullish. For RTX. So I'm taking a look at RTX right now. If we close like this, it looks good. It for sure looks good. It's a great play. It's for sure a great play. It's breaking out right now. But, okay, let me see how expensive the contracts are right now. I'm going to see... I would probably get 2 weeks. Okay, so the contracts are pretty cheap. I thought they were expensive for some reason. Around like $200. Okay, so I probably want to enter in. Okay, let's see. I'm looking at RTX. Okay, I want to do a swing trade on this. 1 week, 2 week. Only A+ setups. Yeah, only a for the small account we're being like very conservative. Like we're only playing off the support and whatnot. I wouldn't play this on the small account. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Okay, it looks amazing on the 5 minutes breaking out. The market is breaking it. Okay, remember in the earlier part of the live stream, I talked about how the SPY was consolidating on the 5 minute and how if we break out, we get a massive pop. It is at that level of resistance, especially on the daily time frame. SPY is at resistance, and if we break this, our price target is $480. That is going to be our price target, Santa Claus rally and all of that. So if we start breaking that for the SPY, pretty much the whole market is going to run. So if I buy RTX, it's just going to run with the overall market. XPEV, it's okay. Let's see. Intel and Shop looking nice. Apple puts. Okay, RTX is the play that I'm watching. Let's take a look at Intel. Wow, Intel is running. Wait, what's BLNK at? $4.15. I want to be out at $4.65. Where is RTX? Okay. I'm gonna enter in RTX. I'm gonna enter in. Shoot. Next week expiration for RTX. Okay, where's my Discord? I'm sending out the alert on Discord right now. Buy to open. I'm gonna enter in 5 contracts. Oh, wait, 5 contracts. Oh shoot. Okay, I entered in RTX, alerted on Discord. I got next week expiration. So yeah, the main concern with RTX is that it has not gotten tight yet. It hasn't gotten that tight yet. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. Would appreciate it. We got 60 live viewers. Expiration date we got next week, and then in the money or at the money contract. So for RTX, since we did enter in, we need to close above $84. If we close below, that is going to be bearish, and then we can come back down. Now, if we do lose with this play, we lose like 50%, and the stock comes all the way back down, then we can also play the bounce. So that is a cool thing. But since the overall market looks like it's running, SPY is kind of rejecting right now, then RTX is also kind of going to run. But RTX looks good. And for me, I'm just not comfortable with how this stock trades. Because I think it's very important on what stocks you trade. For example, if I see a ascending triangle on like Amazon, or if I see it on Google, or like a blue chip company, the chances of that breaking out is so high because everyone is watching it. Everyone sees that pattern. Everyone sees that consolidation phase. But a random stock like, for example, just like BLNK, the probability of this breaking out is just a lot lower. Like, we're just more comfortable with stocks like blue chip stocks. Especially with smaller caps, you need that volume. So for example, SSNT or Lemonade. We played the Lemonade breakout, but it was a quick in and quick out because of the way the stock trades. Look at how it is trading. It needs volume. It is a small cap, but stocks like Google, Nvidia, all of them, they have these nice breakouts. So for Enphase, I mean not Enphase, for RTX, okay, we need to close above. That's why plays like these I want to be quick in and out. So for Enphase, I got in and out really quick because of the same reason. You know, I'm not comfortable with that stock. Let's send the what contracts are you holding for Tesla? Expiration date. Okay, AMD. Let's take a look at AMD. AMD also breaking out. Pretty much the whole market is kind of breaking out right here. I was actually going to put AMD on my watch list, but because of this, you see this consolidation breakout, kind of looks like a BA. Nvidia. So RTX just needs to close above $84, because that would be the confirmation. Okay, that would be the confirmation for RTX. Let's see how many likes we got. It's 27 likes. Really appreciate the likes. Really appreciate everyone watching it. BA is Boeing, ticker symbol here, BA. Where, okay. Please take a look at Airbnb. Let's take a look at Airbnb, okay. I had this setup drawn, but I never played it. I have like a bunch of setups, and I just don't play it. One new feature that I want to add in, and this is something new that I've actually been working on for like 2 years on this thing, but I kind of, got back to it, and the idea is basically every Sunday when I do my weekly watch list of stocks that I'm watching, what I do is I'll have like a alert set on the stock price. So for example, with Airbnb, if it closes above 130, and then automatically it'll send a alert to the Discord, and it'll say like Airbnb closed above, Airbnb is breaking out, so something like that. So that's a cool feature I've been working on for a while now. I have the code and the programming done. I can actually set it up. I'll probably bring it back, but I'll have to do some more testing to see on here. So Airbnb puts, let's see. Let's erase this chart because I'm seeing something here. Seeing higher lows. We're seeing, boom. Let's take a look at the weekly time. Looks interesting. Downtrend on the weekly, ascending triangle on the weekly and the daily. It's kind of just falling right now. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure. We have this support. If it breaks down, it can probably come back down below. But then we have another support here. So it's kind of like a falling knife. Shorting it right here would be perfect. And if you got puts right at 155, that's pretty good. But Airbnb looks interesting. PayPal up. Man, Tesla. I'm so excited on Tesla. I know You guys have probably, I keep talking about it on the Discord, I keep talking about it on the YouTube, but I'm so excited for Tesla because I just got a lot of time. I got February expiration, and then we entered in like right here. We entered in our contract, so we're already up a decent amount. The first price target is going to be 266. I have to add BLNK. Oh, shoot. Is that a bull flag? Yeah, we're consolidating. Yeah, this is a solid flag for NVIDIA on the 5 minute. Hope you guys are enjoying this live stream. Let me know if you guys want more streams like this. Because I for sure want to do more of these, especially for rest of the week. I decided to do this week specifically because of the holidays and because of Santa Claus rally. Typically, it's the most bullish time for the market, so why not do it this week? And if you guys want to leave a honest review, you guys can leave a review here. A honest review. It doesn't matter to me. More streams, yes. Enphase is coming back down. I could probably play it again if I wanted to, because it's back at the level. It's testing the level of support, so I can, if I wanted to, I can probably play Enphase again. But I don't want to. Wait, let's see. If Enphase enters the support, I'm considering it to play again. So like right here. I mean, wow, Enphase. It's so tight. Wow. Can you take a look at CPE? CPE. Okay, this thing is so weird. What is going on with this price action? Let's take a look at CP. Okay, it's at a weekly support. This is what I'm taking a look at. It looks like it just trades sideways. It's been trading sideways since 2021. Definitely no options in this thing. Let's take a look at what's your play on Tesla. We made like multiple videos. On Tesla. We also then had a free alert on Discord. I had a alert on Discord, and I think I kept talking about it on the Discord chat. I think the main confirmation for Tesla was when we closed above on the weekly time frame. That was like the main confirmation. RTX needs to close above. $33 likes. It's a good number. Apple puts. Let's take a look at Apple. So I don't see it as like a, so buddy, Apple puts looks good. It doesn't, it's kind of flagging here. Yeah, it's kind of flagging here. I wouldn't grab puts here. Like the put play that I'm watching is BA right now. That's like a solid put play right now. But I would be careful with shorting right now. The plays for shorting and puts are going to be if we decide to break to the downside, because again, we want to play the trend. We don't want to go against the trend. I'm places. Yeah. Yeah, the trend is to the upside right now, and especially if we close above for SPY, we're done. It's gonna pull. It's gonna pull this. It's gonna do this. It's gonna do this. But if we break to the downside, it does this. Or we just trade sideways, endlessly. Okay. Our shares plays are doing decent. I probably should have averaged down on Lucid. It's just because the risk to reward is so good. But we do need the volume. Oh man, Rivian is up 5%. Rivian has a solid breakout going on here. Please explain what close above means. Okay, so I'm gonna do a trading lesson right here. If you're in the premium Discord, you're gonna get the course and everything, so you guys know what everything means. But so what close above means? So the main confirmation is when we close above. So for example, with Robinhood, I'm gonna go over many plays here, many examples. But when do we know that we have broken out? When are we gonna see that confirmation? When are we like, okay, now we have officially, we are officially going to the upside, and the trend has overtaken to the bulls. So for example, with Robinhood, we were going, downtrend, and then we consolidated. Okay, this is a very common thing where when we are at the level of resistance, we are consolidating and we are trading sideways. So close above means where we just close above the trend and we are now breaking out. We are starting a new trend and we are reversing. So Robinhood, close above. The best example I think I like is AMD. I talk a lot about this. We talked about this on the Tesla video, but for AMD, we could see the previous 4 times we had a downtrend breakout. But when did we fully know, okay, we have broken the downtrend, we are looking good now, now we have room to the upside? It is when we close above on the daily or the weekly time frame. So when we closed above, we have broken the trend, we closed above, then we can come back down to test here. But we can also have a false breakout. So we closed above, and I specifically remember this because I entered in and actually played AMD. I've played like all of these breakouts, but I entered in right here. I was holding it, but it came all the way back down. So I got out and I lost on that play, but then it came back up and broke out again. So that is what close above means. Is anyone still in Enphase? Let me know if you're still in Enphase, because it definitely can run to 145. Small account killing it. So to the Discord members, the premium Discord members, go to your wap.com, go to your dashboard. I just updated today and I added the stock market psychology course. It's over 2 hours of content, I believe, 2 to 3 hours of content. I made it like in November 2 months ago, and I just kind of released it. So make sure to check that out. Pretty cool. We go over market rotation, leg waves. It's from basic technical analysis 101 to a little bit more advanced. Hey, I'll ping you on Discord. Yeah, I'll quickly respond on Discord right now. Hope you guys are having a great day. Specific discounts. Okay. I just responded to you. Wait, let me respond to you on Discord. Use code 2024. So Enphase going that. Yeah, I just pinged you on Discord, I believe. XPEV. Yeah, we're in XPEV on the small account challenge, which we do on Discord. We had a 60% play on Google, then we had a 12% play on SSNT shares, and now we are in XPEV. And I believe I only got like $800 in that play, so we have like $1,000, which I'm just sitting on the sidelines for. SSNT is solid. I mean, XPV is solid. So, I'm waiting on BLNK because I also want to get out of BLNK stock. We're up 20% on that. Neo running. Yeah, okay, so Neo, man, that's probably going to be my video for today. It's going to be a Neo, Lee, and XPEV. Just quickly responding to my DMs right here. Yeah, so that's gonna be today's video. Let's go over here. Pictures. Okay. So, I have a personal experience with Baba and Bidu, and ever since that experience, I don't. I like be careful with Chinese stocks. Cause I lost over $10,000, and this was documented on Discord and YouTube. So it looks good, but I just have personal beef with this stock. Yeah, I appreciate the comments and you guys tuning in. I definitely like doing these. The last time we did a live stream was like 2 years ago. But Baba does look good. It looks amazing. I just wouldn't do options on it. I would do shares from my personal experience. I would do shares. Yeah. So we had Neo, which is running. Neo is gonna run. If Neo runs, then XPEV is going to run. If XPEV runs, LI is going to run. So we have this whole market rotation setup, which I'll make a video on tonight, on EV stocks. So EV stocks, Rivian, Neo, pay all of these, and then Tesla, which is kind of carrying it. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's all you on that Enphase play. You know, you were the one who bought in. I was just there on the sidelines, but yeah, I had a nice 50% gain on Enphase, and that was in like 10 minutes. That was a quick in and quick out. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to join the Discord. You guys can kind of chat with us. The community is a very cool community. So if you go to Discord, this is our Discord right here. You guys can kind of see the success stuff. TG Investing, great guy, but let's do the oh shoot. So this was our entry on BLNK. Let's see, because I actually want to get out of BLNK like right now. Yeah, we're up 25%, not including this wick, because we entered in right here. So that was 34%, but I didn't take my profits yet. I didn't take my profits for BLNK. And then we got out of SSNT. So video on XPEV is going to drop tonight. And then RTX. RTX needs to close above $84. And make sure to subscribe with notifications on, because I will be going live tomorrow also. So that's going to be pretty good. And RTX. RTX is gonna be the play, the swing play. My average on BLNK is $3. Yeah, $3.30. But RTX is what I am looking at. RTX is what I am concerned about right now. Close like this would be good, but we need that bulging green candle. And again, it's a stock that I do not trust. It's not. I don't think it's Raytheon. They make weapons. So it's not like a tech stock or something like that. So I would be That's what I'm kind of concerned about. Like, just like Enphase, you know, quick in, quick out. Like that. Hope you guys are enjoying this live stream. Oh, shoot. CI. What the hell? Oh, shoot, wait, I can't. YouTube is gonna demonetize me. Yeah, SMCI can probably come to the support. Is NVIDIA forming cup and handle? Cup and handle. Kind of. I kind of see how you see the cup and handle. Where's my, like here? But it's very unclear. If you want to see a cup and handle right now, if someone was to ask me, okay, what is a cup and handle? You know, show me an example right now. Beautiful setup. Okay, beautiful, amazing setup for cup and handle. It has to be gold. Okay, gold. I've been watching this setup for more than a year now. I bought my gold bars and my silver bars like a year ago, and they're just trading sideways. I have like 3,000. I think I posted a tweet on Twitter. I showed off like my gold and silver bars, but massive, beautiful setup, solid cup and handle for gold, and I'm very bullish on gold. Economically, also, if you're gonna print more dollars, the only way to protect yourself is from not holding dollars. So that money is going to go to the S&P 500, to gold, or to Bitcoin, or just assets. So gold is incredible. Man, it looks beautiful. How do you screen stocks? I had a section on the course on WAP. What I do is I mostly trade blue chip stocks, and just quickly going over like the basic, I have a bunch of watch lists, and I go over like energy stocks, airline stocks, financial stocks, tech stocks, and every Sunday, that is why it's called SundayStockTalk.com, I do my research, I do my analysis, and try to find stocks, and I take a look at the overall market and where the trend is kind of heading. So, for example, on the oil video, oil killing it, okay, it was a 90% play on our Discord. It was a solid 90% play. Where is it? Right here. But for example, on the oil video, I went over how I was watching Chevron Corporation, Exxon Corporation. So every Sunday, I do like a bunch of research, and I do my analysis like that. And what I can also actually start doing is doing Sunday live streams. So Sunday Stock Talk live streams, where every Sunday night we go live, and together we take a look at charts and we go over the stocks that we are looking at for this week. But that is how I make my watch list, and like I love making these watch lists. I love making these watch lists and then going back and seeing like boom. But yeah, that's how I kind of find my plays. Incredible watch. Let's just see like a random, like just this one. Broke out. This Apple play was incredible. 200%. PayPal. Again, you guys can go to Sunday Stock Talk and kind of see the man. Macy's. I got out at 40%, and it ran up to like 100%. This was insane. So this was a secret play. This play on Docu was a secret play for our newsletter premium subscribers, but if you take a look at Docu, I even actually had a video. I had a secret video here. I had like a secret video going over on that, but that's cool. But yeah, I love making these newsletters. Let's just go back and see like it's just interesting seeing like the older ones. You know, when SPY was consolidating. Man, look. Again, history. You guys can see it for yourself. Boom. You know, we were watching this we even played this AMD setup. Ford, oh my god. This play was insane. Well, just going back and seeing these newsletters. Let's see the first. This was a year ago. Yeah, this was, wow. Coinbase CEO selling stock. We went over, so this was the Coinbase consolidation period, and what did I write on this newsletter? Taking a look at it, each candle is major level for buyers. Coinbase needs to hold $45 for it to be bullish. Yeah, that was a solid breakout for Coinbase. Yeah, those were fun times. Can you please take a look at GCT? Okay. Wow. GCT, Giga Cloud Technology. Massive cup and handle right here. It's still, okay. So we're taking a look at the daily. Yeah, GCT looks interesting. I don't know what's going on with this stock, but yeah, it looks interesting. It has like this cup and handle. Definitely needs volume. It's not a blue chip. I'm not sure what they even do, but yeah. Kind of looks like, I think it was Hive. Was it Hive? Oh, they did a stock split. Okay, they did a reverse split. Okay, it kind of looks like Hive. XPEV is gonna be a slow one, so RTX doing decent. Wouldn't get too excited until we close above $84. If we close above $84, then we need to hold that level. Okay, what would be our price target for RTX? This would be like the first price target. And then we have like right here. These would be like the price targets for RTX. Where is the socials? RTX. So let me know what stocks you guys are watching. What stocks are we watching? Okay. Looking good. RTX looking good so far. So SPY rejecting on the 5-minute right now. Again, we need to be above 474 for SPY to be bullish. ANF, Abercrombie and Fitch. Wow. This thing is going parabolic. Oh my god. Wow. This is straight up going parabolic. Wow. What? Okay. What is going on? Oh my god. Wow. This is a massive level of resistance. And it broke through that. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what. I wouldn't short it. I wouldn't just trade it. I don't see a setup here. Wow. This is insane. Unless if it gaps up, then I can probably play a exhaustion gap, where when it gaps up, I can kind of short the gap down below. So that is what I would do. So oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it's probably some news. XPEV. SoFi, can you check? Yeah, let's search SoFi. SoFi. Wow. It's consolidating right now. Looks like SPY. We're kind of just consolidating like we did previously for SoFi. It's kind of like this. But it's making higher lows. So we had this ascending-ish triangle setup. Overall, most of the small caps are kind of consolidating right now. BA, Boeing is up 0.7% right now. RTX is up 0.8%. We're almost at $84 for RTX. We're up a little bit on our contracts. Let's see how much I am up on my contract. Where is my contract? Swing trade. Do we go long on gold? I just checked the premium chat for Discord. So for gold, I don't trade options on it. I don't trade options on gold. I just have like gold, like the metal, the precious metal, but it's nothing crazy. Like it's not. Don't expect to make much off of gold. I just use it as like a savings tactic, and just for like diversification reasons. I don't see gold as a investment. I see it as a diversification. I don't know if my contracts are bugging or not, but I'm only up like 2% on my RTX contract. Let me refresh. If I played the weekly on RTX, we would be up a little bit more. Yeah, I'm up 2% on RTX. Wow. We got 38 likes. 2 more likes, and then we'll have 40 likes. Would appreciate it. Thank you. Hope you guys are having a great day. You know, comment down below what you're doing for the rest of the day, what your plans are. XPEV. So, with XPEV, yeah, it's decent. It's probably going to trade sideways. It's going to be one of those swing plays where we kind of watch what happens on like the weekly, not too much on the daily. XPEV. Let's go back to RTX. If RTX closes like this, it's going to look really good. It's going to go, and if the market closes, my only concern would be if SPY, because we can for sure come back down below. Like we can have like a red week, and then we can play calls off the level of support. But for RTX, we need to be above. We need to be above $84. Because I can definitely see, okay. Because I'm just kind of visualizing right here. If we reject. Because I just don't like how wide it is. I don't like how wide it is. Because then our stop loss is going to be a lot lower like that. So that's the problem with RTX. Hope you guys are having a great day. How long have you been streaming for? 1 hour and 36 minutes. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I need to accumulate more Bitcoin. You know, I hope we just keep trading sideways like this for Bitcoin so I have time to accumulate more. I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. 200,000 price target by 2025. BLNK. BLNK has a massive wick now. Let's see the... Unless if it can curve to like 465. Any idea on SQ? Okay, let's take a look at Nvidia. Let's take a look at Nvidia, then let's take a look at SQ. So Nvidia getting extremely tight. The deciding factor is going to be around January 4th. Close above 502 bullish, close below 484 bearish. So it depends upon how we react to these two levels. SQ. Wow. SQ has a solid resistance right here. Actually, SQ looks like a good short right here. But yeah, it looks like a good short. I mean, this is just pure green candles right here. Unless if something like this happens, which can definitely happen, you know, where we just keep going up. RTX needs to close above. Does SQ follow Bitcoin? It kind of moves, yeah, it moves with tech and all of that because it's Cash App, right? And I think they just had a new a Bitcoin wallet. They're working on like hardware wallet, and I think the CEO is like fully going on Bitcoin. Yeah, for sure. SQ, Coinbase, all of them. Is anyone in let me know if you're in RTX or in XPEV. Those are the two plays that I'm currently in short-term wise. Swing wise and long-term wise, we got a lot of plays like Tesla, BLNK, PayPal, and Bitcoin. And can you look at ELV? Man, what's with the price action? That's why, like, I try to only trade blue chip stocks, because it just, take a look at these candles. Man, this is not good price action to do technical analysis on. Like, this is wacky. Like, I don't know what. It's maybe forming a cup, but again, it's very, very unclear. It's just trading so weird. Oil is breaking out. I just took my profits on oil. I'm just because it's gonna for sure run to $94. And when I was thinking about the small account challenge play for this week, I was thinking about buying like a 3 months out oil expiration, but that's kind of too long for the small account. So I just kind of instead did XPEV. So I like this XPEV setup. Yeah, Mara, Riot, all those mining stocks. My average on Bitcoin is like 30,000. That's where I entered in like full. I see the triangle here for Amazon. Looks good. Looks good, yeah. Amazon looks good. We were talking about this setup on Amazon on the Discord, but I was too busy on like other plays and it broke out massively. And then we played Google instead. Let me check the Discord. Just taking a look at the Discord right now. 41. Okay. Man, Amazon looks good. Amazon looks good. For sure. Instead of the Amazon ascending triangle, I played the Google symmetrical triangle. I just don't feel. I keep saying this on a live stream, but I just don't feel confident on the RTX play. As if there's a disturbance in the force. You know, it's just not. I'm not comfortable with how it's not gotten that tight yet. So I'm considering to get out at just break even. Unless if the market closes above the resistance, because then we have the overall trend to the upside. I think that's going to be the condition that I'm going to work on right now. If the market closes above the resistance, then I'll keep my RTX play. One hour and 43 minutes. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on, because we will be live streaming tomorrow, and then I'll have another video out tonight. Oh shoot. Blah 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 beans. Spy looks good right now. I appreciate you for watching, Ty. Because we got 44 viewers. It's great. I just love making these videos, you know. I definitely do. Even just having this small audience is really cool. I like to like go back and watch the older videos and see the progress and see just the amazing plays. And I'm excited. I'm very excited from a year from now, because on the Discord I talked about like the long-term plays like Bitcoin, and we had like some other plays, or even like PayPal, and I think they're gonna do amazing. A year from now, they're gonna be like the small account challenges, and then we had the $20,000 small account. Like we're gonna easily hit 100,000, like six figures, easily six figures, a year from now. So I'm excited for that, and just like tracking this journey. That's the cool part. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. But man, Spy, I'm excited. I'm excited for this week. Just take a look at the price action right here. Okay, if we can close above 475, Santa Claus rally is gonna be here. Let's take a look at some other stocks. IWM. Man. Wow. IWM is breaking the like again the trend is to the upside. You know, we were in a downtrend. Then we had a consolidation phase, and now we're in the uptrend. So, you know, it's here. The bull market is here. I'll make a whole video on like, especially on Discord, just like you gotta be with the trend. You know, stop fighting the trend. It's not gonna look good. Spy. Can we close above the area? XPav looks great. Again, the small account play. The $1,000 to $500 challenge. 1,500 to 5,000. The account is at 1,700 right now. This looks amazing. I'm excited. What do you think of DE? Oh my god. What the? DE continuation play. Continuation play. Okay. If you showed me this DA play earlier, I would have played this. Like, look at this. It actually looks like Enphase. Wait. So we have DE right here. We have the downtrend breakout. We closed above, and then it consolidated with the ascending triangle. Then it broke out. And then if we take a look at Enphase, we have the downtrend breakout. We tested. We consolidated. Now we have this ascending triangle formation where we're trading sideways. It's setting up. And we have a gap to the upside. So Enphase and DE look similar. DE had a nice pop. And then again, right when we closed above, that was the confirmation. Because now we have broken the trend. And the only way is up now since we broke the trend. Now I'm tempted to enter in Enphase again. Oh, shoot. Ooh, what a day. Okay, I'm tempted to enter in Enphase. What do you guys think? Should we play Enphase again? Play the breakout again? Wait, how was the... We had breakout. Yeah, so this section of the Discord is for day trades. And then this is swing trades where we hold for multiple weeks and multiple days. I'm just trying to look back. So this was our loss. SoFi, Upwork. Let's take a look at Upwork again. Because I want to, okay. So I want to talk about this. Just go over stocks like Upwork or like Enphase or like stocks that are unknown. They need volume. So that is why I like to be in and out quick. And that is why I also got out of SSNT out of quick, because or else it's just gonna trade sideways. It needs that volume. BLNK is an example where we got that volume. We needed that volume. So Upwork, we had that breakout. Our price target was the resistance, and look at how it's trading now. So we got to be careful with that. Okay. It's going to be very interesting for RTX on what it decides to do. Six more minutes, and then we've been streaming for 2 hours. 2 hours almost. Let's go to our YouTube channel. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching in the comments. You guys can chat and let me know. What do you guys think of this new thumbnail? It's pretty cool. So Nvidia, BLNK stock, the play is pretty much over. We had a perfect entry on BLNK. SSNT, we got out 10%. Google, Tesla, still going on, continuation play. We played Robinhood, that was a W. SoFi, that was a W. Then GameStop was a L. Oil stock, we had 90% gain on that. Tesla. See, we made multiple videos on Tesla. Disney, long-term shares. Let's take a look at Rumble. It just trades weird. It's just trading sideways. Apple, this was our 200% play. PayPal, we made a video 1 month ago, we're already up. TLT, I made a video on it. We had the Sunday Stock Talk newsletter, but I didn't end up playing it. I didn't, this was the perfect buy, but I just kind of forgot about it, I guess. But you guys can kind of see the video. That was the perfect entry. It's the lowest it has ever been. It's insane. Why not? And I'm just kind of in too many plays right now, and I want to accumulate more of Bitcoin and more of PayPal. Bullish on Bitcoin and PayPal. Great deals. Yeah, Enphase is holding support right here. Enphase looks good. Definitely looks like the DE setup. How long have you been streaming for? 3 more minutes and then 2 hours. I think 2 hours is a good time for the live streams, right? Because pretty much during lunchtime, we're kind of pulling back, we're kind of resting, the volume is dying out, and then towards the end of the day, we get that volume out. So we're just trading sideways for SPY. Tomorrow is then gonna be interesting, but we still got a lot of time for today. Okay, you know, unless we get a candle like this or like this where we just drop right at the support, which is pretty common. You know, we got one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can definitely see that coming. If randomly, if I close this live stream and the market is down like 2%, I want to buy in calls right here, right at the level of support. Weekly calls, okay? I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord. RTX, okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the likes. We'll be dropping a video tonight on EVs. Thank you, thank you. So, make sure to join the Discord. I think we're going to start wrapping this up right here. I'll be going live tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe with notifications on. I have the Discord pinned in here. Yeah. Yeah, the thing about open is right at market open, that is when we get like the big moves. So for example, with Enphase, previously with Google, previously with Costco, I could probably go endlessly on if I go here, because right at market open is when we get the real volume. So like Costco, Google. So tomorrow market open, we kind of have the same watch list. Enphase, RTX is going to be the big one for tomorrow, especially if we can close above the level of resistance. I think we're going to get a nice pop right at market open. But make sure to join the Discord here. I have it pinned. I'll send another link in here. And I posted the online course, stock market psychology course, on for the premium subscribers. So make sure to check that out. I'm gonna be working on another one on Bitcoin, and everything comes together with this. You know, small account challenges, day trades, swing trades, all of that. And you guys can also then leave a honest review. But a lot of info on that. So I'm seeing if we can get any action for, because we're kind of just trading sideways right now. The 2 hours worth of education videos should be on wap.com. It should be on the dashboard section. The dashboard section. So go to like wap.com and you'll see the I want to play Enphase. It looks good. Enphase looks good for sure. It's at the level of support right here, but honestly, I'm kind of happy with my 50% gain, so I don't want to risk taking the play again, but it does look good. It does look good. $560. Yeah, it looks good. Enphase looks good. BLNK is at $4. $4. I want to get out at $4. 465. 465. Lucid. I'll have to make a video on this. Okay, Enphase looks okay. Should I like yeah, Enphase looks great, but I just don't because I kind of took in my profits and I'm happy with that. So because I'm in RTX right now. I don't want to be in like 50 plays all at once. Setup on RTX is amazing. Beautiful. Stop loss would be below 84. If it comes back down, it wouldn't look too good. Wait, let's take a look at Bitcoin. For ascending triangles, what you have to be careful with is that the confirmation is once we see the bounce and then we hit the resistance. Because for all we know, Bitcoin can kind of keep going down and then it just becomes a channel. So that is the risk with the ascending triangles. But if we take a look at something like XLE, you have to see these candlesticks. Like this is a very bullish candlestick. You know, we have a bulging green candlestick. So I think I go over it on the course on the 2 hours extra content, but these candlesticks are very important, and that is how we know. Okay, we have made that support on here. So for Bitcoin, this ascending triangle can now be like a channel where we're just trading sideways now, like Boeing. Boeing looks very weak. This is like the only short play that I'm watching. Just because of the way it trades, it's not like a tech stock where it goes parabolic like every other year. It's an airline company. They're not that profitable. And we have a massive level of resistance. And historically, it trades sideways a lot. Yeah, I'm excited for XPEV, the small account Small account challenge. Video on XPEV each night and other. Are you guys in Enphase? Let me know in the comments. Let's go to the Discord. I have to make a section for just Bitcoin, and I have to make a whole like 2 hours extra of content, literally just on Bitcoin. I've read what was the book? I got like these Safe House. I got these 6 books. Perfect gifts. It's about like Bitcoin, the central banking system, what money is, and I'm gonna read these 6 books and just, learn. But I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin. It's one of my biggest position for the long term. And if you want to make the real money, you gotta invest in like the weird stuff. And I'm talking about like the real money, like 1,000% gains. Back when Apple was starting out, when people didn't have faith in Steve Jobs, or they didn't see the vision that he was seeing, that is the time to make money, because that's where the risk is at. If there's no risk, then there's no reward. Now you can buy Apple stock right now, and there's a lot less risk, but then your gains are going to be capped. And it's all about managing your risk, positioning yourself correctly. Enphase looks amazing here. It looks amazing. Wow. Man, I'm excited. Let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking. SPY breaks, man. Wow. But we're gonna need a bullish candle like this, like this, like that over there. So, Ethereum. I'm very anti-Ethereum. I'm like Bitcoin only. And the reason with that is because Ethereum had a new protocol called Proof of Stake. It's for climate change reasons. But the way that I see it, there's Bitcoin and then there's crypto. Nothing can be like Bitcoin. And it's so fascinating and so interesting, because the fact that Bitcoin, like the guy who made Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, he's literally a prophet. He came in, he made the program, and he just left. He just disappeared. He owns 1 million Bitcoin. Okay, 1 million Bitcoin in his wallet, and it hasn't been touched since 2011. So the way that I see it is that nothing can be like Bitcoin, the way it got it brought up, because with Ethereum, with Solana, or with any of the new coins, they have VC backings by like Kevin O'Leary, or like the Shark Tank guys, or like one coin by Sam Altman. So with Bitcoin, there's Bitcoin and there's crypto, and I would definitely recommend reading these books. And another thing with Bitcoin is, again, 21 million, only 21 million. With Ethereum, they're changing the rules. They had a new system, proof of stake. There's also censorship on Ethereum, because the how proof of stake works is whoever owns the majority of Ethereum and majority of its stake, they kind of decide the rules. So it just doesn't make sense. I'm very anti Ethereum, and Ethereum, zero. I would say Solana would be like the only one, but I'm I'm mostly just Bitcoin. I would only invest in other cryptos for like a quick pump and dump, quick in and out. If I want to trade it like a stock, I'm trading a stock. I'm not investing in it. I don't take a look at the fundamentals and what the stock does, because it's just short term, quick in and out. So Bitcoin, I see it as a long term. 10 plus years, it's going to be great. But Ethereum, Solana, all those other coins, it's going to be a quick pump and dump and quick in and out, for profit, and that way it's great. It's great to trade leverage. For example, with Solana, I have a friend who trades leverage. I used to trade leverage, but not anymore. But boom, ascending triangle, breakout, consolidation, another breakout. So you can also do technical analysis on crypto. What is the target price for XPV? Yeah, I'm anti Bitcoin, and target price for XPAV is conservatively $15, $16, like $16. That's gonna be the price target for XPEV. If it comes back down, I can also average down on XPAV and then have that stop loss. XPAV Solana. Let's take a look at Tesla. What do you think of Snap? Snap. Let's do some analysis on Snapchat. Looks like the Boeing setup. Where's the... Okay. It's very unclear. We have a gap and we have consolidation going on. I think a day trade for a short, like short below 16. Short below 1660. Price target 1615, like this wick. But very unclear. Do you recommend Sol? So it's all how you manage your risk in your portfolio. So the majority of my position is in Bitcoin. So let's say 70% of my position, I'm talking about just crypto portfolio, not stocks, not options. Or I'll actually do an example on options and stocks first. The majority of my position for my options accounts and stocks accounts is going to be on stocks. And then a smaller percentage is going to be on options. Because it's all about managing your risk. And then my options account, if I have $10,000, I'm going to be putting 10%, which is $1,000, into each play. So I have 10 tries, 10 plays, and as long as if we're winning the majority of the plays, we're good. So we win most of our plays on YouTube, Discord, Twitter, and as long as if we were managing our risk, we're doing fine. But if we enter in the whole account into one play and that play goes south, then that's a bad decision. So it's really important to manage your risk, having 10% into each play. So with crypto, I have majority of my position in Bitcoin. Safest position, Bitcoin, and that's it. That's like 70% of the account. The other 30% of the account, I could put it in high risk companies or high risk cryptos. But that 30%, I'm fine if it goes to zero, because the other 70% of the account, which is Bitcoin, once it starts taking off, it's going to account for the loss, the 30% loss. So I'm willing to lose the 30% loss completely to make a higher return. So, yes, I for sure recommend Solana. And the thing about Solana is I've entered in, I've done more research on Solana. Instant transaction fees, NFTs, and all of that. XPEV down 20%. Yeah. So with XPEV, the daily price is not going to matter as much as the weekly price. So we got 3 weeks on our XPEV contracts. So the thing that's going to matter is what happens in the weekly time frame. So that's going to be what matters for XPEV. And then we can average down again at the level of support, but it kind of looks good. It just kind of looks good. Let's see how much I'm down. Yeah, it's going to be a play on the weekly time frame. That bounce. I'm down 15% on XPEV. Let's see the volume. What expiration? Let me check right now. January 12th. 3 weeks. And how I decided that expiration was based off the weekly time frame. So unless we just trade sideways like here. So I'm imagining the next 3 weekly candles. And then price target 16. And on top of that, it's not just going to be XPEV. We have other companies, other electrical vehicle companies, like Li Auto. So I think we're going to see like a market rotation where all of these stocks are kind of moving together, like we did with SoFi, Robinhood, and GameStop. What do you think of C? Oh, shoot. It's just Enphase is up 2.5%. Okay, so let's take a look at C. Very unclear. Let's take a... See, we went over the in one of our watch lists in one of our videos. We went over like the setup on like banks. Then we had yeah. So I think it was like 2 weeks ago. We actually had this charted out, published on Sunday Stock Talk weekly watch list video. So pretty much all the banks kind of just broke out. But yeah, I'm excited for XPEV. Let's take a look at Enphase. Rivian up 13%. Blink up 14%. BLNK. Diamond Hands. Disguise. Okay. XPath. Should we enter back in Enphase? I would probably do weekly call options. If it closes like this, it's gonna pop. I think the SPY and how SPY closes is the deciding factor. Because if we close bullish, man, the whole market is gonna run. Like everything is gonna run. So everything is depending upon the SPY right now. Do we close above the resistance? Do we break the downtrend on the daily time frame? And then our price target is going to be $480. But the question is, are we going to hit all-time highs? What's your stop loss for XPV? The stop loss is going to be the close below the support on the daily time frame. So that is right around 1340. So close below on the daily time frame. That is going to be the stop loss for XPEV. I would average down one time if it comes to like 1350, but the stop loss would be close below $13.41. XPV. And then we have to wait for Nvidia to get tighter because Nvidia is going to be a play, but it just needs to get a little bit tighter. So it's not the perfect entry. Because for Nvidia, I would do a day trade like we did with Enphase. Quick in and out. been 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. Make sure to join the Discord. I have it pinned on the live chat. And then if you guys want to, you guys can join the live buy and sell alerts. And I recently added the stock market psychology course. I'll actually go over, wait, let me check. I'll show you guys what's in the, because I have like over 2 hours of extra content on there. So I'll go over, okay, let me see. Okay. So this is what is on our, I think it's extra 2 hours. Okay. Setting up trading view, candlesticks, Heikin-Ashi, and lines, how I find my stocks with different watch lists, how I set up my watch list, different sectors and ETFs, the time frames, and then we have the introduction to technical analysis 101, really basic, starting off really basic, really simple, and going to the bread and butter, and we go in very in depth on here, triangles and all of that. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Join the Discord and see you guys tomorrow. Okay, we'll be going live tomorrow right at market open. I'm excited for, we are swinging XPEV and we are swinging RTX. And then I'll have to decide if I want to enter in Enphase or not. And I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord if I enter in Enphase or not. Hope you guys enjoyed this live stream and see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Okay, take care. We're also going to be dropping the video tonight on XPEV. And see you guys and take care. Bye. Thank you.